Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Welcome to JT Tech. Guys, today I have an amazing and unique website for you. A website that will blow your mind. If you have all these social media, if you know you are using Facebook, Instagram or YouTube and other social media, then this website I will be showing you today will really blow your mind today. So please, I request you that you watch this video till end. Make sure you do not skip this video for a better understanding, as I will be showing you a mind-blowing and amazing and unique website today that you don't just have to miss. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing today, here we have to open our browser. Google Chrome is recommended today, but you can be able to use any browser apart from Opera Mini, though you can be able to use Opera Mini too. So guys, as you can see, we open our Google Chrome or our browser like this. But guys, please, before I review this website for you, if you are visiting this channel for the first time, or if you have been visiting our channel and you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please we request you that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video on this channel, you will be the first person to be notified. And for those that have already subscribed and who are currently watching our videos, thank you all. We do not take your love for granted. So guys, here we have to click on this search or type button. Here we click and then we have to search for this website. This is the website, okay, .net. Guys, this website sounds popular to some of you, but there is a secret I want to reveal to you today on this particular website. Safefrom.net. This is the name of this website. Now, one of the things that you can be able to use this website, you can be able to use this website to download any picture or any video from Facebook, from Instagram, and from YouTube, and then from Twitter. These are some of the social media that you can be able to use to download a quality video. Now, one of the secrets of this particular website is that you can be able to download a high quality video using this particular website, and then you can be able to use any of these social media. And how do we do that? For instance, let's go back to our Facebook, and then we can be able to, for instance, let me remove the volume to avoid copyright. Now, for instance, in this video, rest in peace Mohbad. Please, sorry for me to say this here. This is a popular guy that died in Nigeria just of a recent, and his name is Mohbad. So please permit me to say rest in peace. So guys, for instance, if you want to download this particular video, you see, you just have to copy the link of this video, and then we have to go back to our browser. Then here you have to click on enter URL. Then you have to click here, then you click on search. So this is the search button. For instance, for those that didn't see, here is the search button. So once you click on the search button, it will be loading in. And guys, one of the special thing about this particular website, just like we have said, you can be able to download in HD. You can be able to download in HD. Here we have HD and we have SD, and always it is recommended that you use HD. Now guys, I click on this HD. Sorry, this is an ad popping up. Let's go back. So it's already on HD here, and guys, as you can see, it's already downloading, and then it will be downloading. It will be downloaded on HD, and then you can be able to download any Instagram video using the same method. You can also download YouTube and then Twitter video using the same method. You just have to come and paste the link here. After you paste the link here, then you click on search. After you click on search, then it will be popping up like this. You can be able to click on download, and then it will be downloaded directly to your gallery. So guys, as you can see, our download has been finished. So this is the website I have for you today. I will bring you more websites, amazing and unique website that will be that you'll be using to make things easy for you on your phone. So please, if you found this video to be helpful to you, like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye.